on 24th of this month, one Ayub Sayed had lodged complaint that his father was pushed down by one Vipul and who sustained head injury. So on that day we registered offence against Vipul, and that father of Ayub Madar Sayed was expired yesterday night. So today during investigation we came to know that there was fight between Vipul Mhatre and Shajad. Vipul is staying in Road, Shajad at Margao. So both of them had a fight along with Akbar and Ayub. So four of them had a fight. At that time, the victim who had gone for toilet was coming by that pathway. So during fight, they pushed him down to make a way. So unfortunately, he was fallen on the cemented place and sustained head injury. And during that scuffle, someone must have put a foot on him. Nobody was there to take him out in their fight. So thereafter he was taken out and they ran away. So he was admitted in GMC, operated, and yesterday he expired. So today we applied section 304 IPC and we arrested four of them.